Alright, the type of conic graphed by the equation y squared, 4y squared minus 2x minus 16y is equal to 13 plus x squared. So in order to find the type of conic that we have to do, let's take some practice grouping our terms together and finding the conic. So let's put the y squareds together, the x squared together, and their constant on the other side. So we'll have 4y squared minus 16y minus x squared minus 2x is equal to 13. Our next step, whenever we're evaluating a conic, is to factor out the leading coefficient of the squared terms. So we have 4 times y squared minus 4y, and we have negative, so we're going to actually have it with a minus sign for x squared plus 2x. That's equal to 13. Now, at this point, you can find out that this is going to be a hyperbola if you look at the pattern. But let's find out the equation of the hyperbola just to be sure. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to complete the square. So we have negative 4 over 2 is equal to negative 2, and negative 2 squared is 4. In this case, 2 over 2 is 1, and 1 squared is 1. So when we evaluate the hyperbola, we have 4 times 4y squared minus 4y plus 4. Let's cut the chatter, please.
Whoa, what? What for? What?
Oh.
What?
So we have negative 4 divided by 2, which is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So we add... oh yeah, it'd be negative 4 times... There's no 4 there, because the 4 is already factored out. So that's just 4 times y squared minus 4y plus 4. And that's going to be minus x squared plus 2x plus 1, let's cut the chatter please, is equal to 13 plus 4 times 4 and negative 1, minus 1. So this is a plus 1, it's going to be minus 1. So, continuing the equation on to the right side, we'll have 4 times this first term for completing the square is y minus 2 squared. Guys, still too much chatter. I can't hear myself think. 4 times y minus 2 squared minus x plus 1 squared is equal to 16, and the last step is to divide each side by 16. So we have y minus 2 squared over 4 minus x plus 1 squared over 16 is equal to 1. You divide by 16 so that the equation on the right-hand side is equal to 1. Uh, 13, oh, yes, right. 4 times 4 is 16. 13 plus 16 is 29 minus 1, so that's 28. So you divide each side by 28. So this is going to be 28, and that's going to be 4y. So 4 divided by 28. So it's going to be 14, 7. So it's going to be 7. Still, when you get to where the 4 is a coefficient, you know it's a vertically oriented hyperbola. All right.